Oil prices are retreating after the rally. However, the upward trend can resume at any moment, which will boost the rise in the Russian currency. The ruble is trading in the green zone amid a high appetite for risk and weakening US dollar. According to the shipping companies, participants of the OPEC Plus deal on the output cuts stick to the agreed conditions in full. In June, the production volume is expected to be further reduced. The market optimism is increasing thanks to a gradual recovery of the economic activity. Consequently, the demand for energy is also likely to recover. Another bullish factor for oil prices is a fall in output in the United States. Brent futures were trading at highs in early deals, though pullbacks were seen at some moments. The North Sea crude benchmark was valued at $34.72. A correction in oil prices can be observed, which is the natural behavior given that the prices skyrocketed by 22% in the previous 2 days. At the same time, the underlying trend is unlikely to reverse, as buyers are set to push the price towards the area of 36.60 37.60. As a result of the recent correction, WTI futures dived below $32 per barrel. Today is the expiration date of the June contracts. Let us recall that in May the futures turned to be trading negative on such an expiration date. So today investors are especially cautious. By the end of the day, WTI futures may experience a massive sell-off given that the problem with the United States storage capacities remains unresolved. Meanwhile, the ruble hit a multi-month high. The USD rupee pair declined to 72.25, the lowest level since March 13. The Russian currency gained 0.4% on the day, as it was supported by the Bank of Russia's interventions. Other factors behind the ruble's rise are the upcoming deadline for the tax repayment and the high demand for the Russian debt securities. Investors are buying the Russian bonds, hoping for a fall in their yields. Such a tendency is expected to stay until mid-June. If so, the US dollar may decline to the area of 70-72 rubles. If a USD rupee approaches a 70 mark, the next target can be found at 68.55, according to the technical analysis. As for today, analysts anticipate that the American currency will fall to 71.50 rubles. However, a fall in the Russian currency is also possible. A negative factor for risk currencies is the persistent standoff between China and the United States. That's all for now. We wish you profitable deals. See you on our channel with a new video in a couple of hours.